my usual dentist, where I'm getting cleanings and those kind of things, I had some questions about what appeared to be some more exposed teeth than I'd seen in the past. Kind of looked it up on the internet and said, well, it looks like I'm having receding gums, and so what do I need to do? And so he recommended that come here to Dr. Randall. Oh, it was Dr. Randall's very pleasant, and just really like starts with expertise and understanding where I'm coming from and understanding what the problem is and how to fix it, and really just explained and laid it out very simply what would be involved, how long the recovery would be, and then what I should expect. And so all of that really just gave me comfort, that she was the right doctor for me. I think it's not just a confidence in my appearance, but also confidence that some of those pictures I saw on the internet, that I'm not going to end up in that place with my teeth, that that I don't have to worry about tooth loss or severe pain because of exposed nerves and teeth. So I certainly have a lot more confidence about that.